Hey guys, welcome to today's YouTube. Today I'll be teaching you how you can make money with little or no effort. Okay, in this video you can make 1,000 US dollars in a week, depending on how serious and how much work you put in. Now, the name of this site is called upload.io. What do they do? You simply upload your videos, content, pictures, things you think will be found, very, very interesting. And by doing so, you attract visitors who click on it, and before you know it, you get paid per people who view. Don't worry yourself, guys. I'm going to show you how to attract crowd to your videos so that you can have more downloads on a daily basis. So guys, let's proceed. The first thing we have to do is to do what, guys? We're going to click on make money. That is the first thing we're going to do. Now below that, I'm going to show you something like agree. They use this, and just click on agree. Okay, now you're going to scroll down. It's very important you understand these things so that you don't make mistake at the end of the days. Now when you scroll down, they're going to let you know how much you make based on your country, and you can see right on our screen, you can see how much you are going to be making, and the various pay points. You have PayPal, you have Pay, you have web money. Then when it comes to cryptocurrency, you have Bitcoins, Ethereum, Litecoins, Bitcoin Cash. Anyone you think would be very easy for you to withdraw, just input them while registering. Now this is what I was trying to tell you. Now you can see we have tier A, B, C, and D. Now let's move below to see what this tier A represents. Now under here, you can see that the tier A stands for countries like United States, Canada, and Switzerland. Now if you look above, you will see that this tier A, they earn higher. Now 0 to 500 MB, they earn $7. 500 to 1,000 MB, they earn $7. 1,000 to 2,000 MB, they earn $7. And 2,000 MB above, they earn $13. So if you find yourself in tier A, you're one of the lucky ones. But notwithstanding, no matter the tier you find yourself, it's still free money. So the next one you have is tier B, United Kingdom, Australia, France, Germany, Spain, Italy. Tier C, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Belgium, Mexico, and Brazil. And tier D, you have all other countries that are not mentioned in tier A, tier B, and tier C. Now in situations like this, we are not really after the country you are. What is important is to follow my steps on how you can make money. So guys, we're going to be signing up now. Make sure you follow every detail so you don't make mistakes. So we're going to click on sign up on the menu box, and they're going to ask you for your username. So we're just going to type anything we want here. Okay, just type anything you want. And now we're asking for our email, so I'm going to be typing my email. Okay, so I'm typing my email. Okay, and I'm going to type my password, and okay, we're going to look for something that we can remember. Okay, now my payment info, I'm typing my email, the email in which is related to my what's it called, my PayPal. So now this is the payment type. Now I don't need to change it because I'm actually using PayPal, so it's just going to be done automatically. And I'm going to click I'm not a robot. Obviously I'm not a robot. Then I'm going to click on register. Now okay, save password in case you easily forget. Now you can see there are lots of things here, lots of things. You can see this particular one has 0. Okay, I already have an account, but I just have to use this to show you. Now you're wondering, what do we do here? You do a lot of things here. Now this is the section where I teach you how to minimize, or should I use maximize, okay, your potential, so that you can be able to make money. Now you can see things like my account, upload files, right? Now upload files is where you want to go to. These are the ads popping up based on closing it is not necessary. Now on the upload, now you can see file upload, remote URL upload, copy files and stuff like that. So we actually want to upload file upload, right? So file upload, we're going to click here to select, and it's going to bring it out, take photos or video. Maybe you have the content live, or photo library means you're taking from your already saved pictures from your library, and or you want to browse it. Now before we go that far, now I want you to understand something. I want to really explain some certain things to you, so that you'll be able to enjoy this particular website. Now you don't just upload things. You have to upload things that are attractable to people. People will actually love it and find it very interesting. Now I'm going to give you a clue. You're going to upload videos like let's work with like animals. Now there are lots of animal lovers out there, and the main one we have is dogs and cats. Majority of people keep those two animals as pets. So imagine if I'm a dog lover and I see a video of a very little cute dog, I'll be so happy and I would love to download it. So how do you get videos? Because you have to be very careful you don't upload videos that have copyright, because it might give you a very big problem at the end of the day. So I'm going to show you a site where you can get free videos, free pictures that doesn't need copyright, that have no copyright on them. So I'm going to giving you we're going to go into a site called pixabay.com. Pixabay is a site where you can get all stunning free images. You can see it and royalty free, stock free. You don't need to pay, you owe nobody any explanation. These are all free videos, and the beautiful part of it that they have high resolutions. Like when you upload it, people will really want to download it, because the video alone, the quality of the video is attractive. The pictures of this, you can see the picture is very, very clear and very, very attractive, and tempting for me to download. So the first thing we're going to do here is here you have images, so we're going to be changing it to videos. Okay, now we're going to be clicking here. Let's say we have dogs, and we click dogs. Let's say dogs. Okay, let me click on the search button. Now you can see it's loading, and you can see, oh my god, we have some many cute dogs here, beautiful cute dogs. You can see this dog is not bad. So let's click on it and see it play. Now you can see all you have to do is type a name of what you're looking for, and it's going to bring it out. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you have all your videos downloaded. Okay, now this is where I was talking about maximizing this leverage you have. Now you have to post on a regular basis, so that you can be able to have the opportunity to have more people downloading these videos through your own link, so that you can be able to make more money and more money and more money. Now imagine if you belong to the tier D, where it's for all general countries. Now you're to earn $2. So if you have 1,000 people on each of your videos, oh my god, that is a lot of money. A lot of money, guys, a lot of money. So let's just say I really love this dog playing the sand, so I'm just going to download it. So I clicked on it and it opened. So I want us to play it so we could see what we are actually downloading. So I have to register in with my email. That's the first thing you do. Google asks you. Now you can see should I say the dog is sunbathing, and it's so funny and very interesting. So you click on the free download. Now they're going to be asking you on what resolution do you want to. Now you know you don't want something that is low, you want something that is very high. So you might click on I think I'll click on 920 times 1080. I'm going to click on that. So guys, I'm going to show you how to upload the video. So you go to your library. If you're using the system, it's very simple. You follow the same procedure. I'm going to click in on this particular video, and you're going to be showing done. I'm going to click on start uploading, and you're going to see it here reading very quick, and it's done. Now I want you to see something. Now download link. This is your download link. This link is meant for you alone. So if anybody even shares it on your behalf, not knowing, and people go through that link, automatically you're going to be directing them to your uploadio.com. And if they like the video and they download it, the money is coming to your wallet, to your pocket. That's how you make cool, easy money. No stress. You don't need to be creative. You don't need to go out there looking for videos. All you have to do is go to Pixabay, look for good content, and go to now let me take you to the next side. Now imagine we copy this link, for people like me and you to be able to make cool money. Now we're going to be searching for groups, and because we're dealing with dogs today, we're going to be looking for dog lovers, and you can see we have dog lovers public group 85, dog lovers 340, and you can see ignore the private group, just deal with the one that are public. You can see. Now what you have to do is make sure you follow as possible all the groups, all the dog lover group. Make new friends, get to know people, comment on people's posts, make yourself known. So when you post your link, they'll be like, wow, that is our girl, that's our guy, and automatically you can just post a link and you'll be like, I just came across a dog sunbathing, and people will be like, wow. Imagine you have a group where you have 85,000 people, and 1,000 people actually click on that link, and they'll be directed to your upload.io, and they view the video and they download it, and you happen to be on Tidal, which is for every country, which is $2, and you have 1,000 people downloading your videos. Can you multiply $2 times 1,000 people? So guys, this is one of the easiest and coolest way to make money online, the surest and the best. I think one of the best way. Okay, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, join as many groups as you can. You can leave the private group, because even the private group just has not even up to 5,000 people, but you can see the other public group have lots and lots of people. So you can just join any group, join. I even joined dog and cat lovers, because I'm also going to be dealing with cats. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do have a nice day. On this key, I end it. Bye guys.